What's up, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. How about this? Fellas, ladies, you want a delicious dish for date night that's gonna shock the significant other one? I got you. We're gonna do a Cajun chicken pasta. They all love that, Cajun chicken pasta. So meet me in the kitchen. Let's get it. Cajun chicken pasta. Yeah. All right, this is what we're working with right here. I got about 8 chicken tenders. I'm using chicken tenders instead of breast. I got that in-house Cajun seasoning that we made. Don't worry, that's gonna be in the description. I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I got 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I got a cup of that finely shredded Parmesan cheese. We got some penne pasta. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of that garlic paste. I got a 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And that's gonna make that delicious Cajun chicken pasta. Yeah, we got our water going. Let's go ahead and drop us a little salt in there. There we go. All right, we got our water back there boiling. So let's go ahead and dice up our chicken. It's already been cleaned, pulled the tendons out and everything like that. So, I mean, you just want to cut them in bite-sized chunks. That's all you need. Just like that. There we go. Bam. That goes to the side. Cut chicken back into our bowl. Some of this Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna generously season this chicken up. And make sure it gets well coated, well seasoned. Everything is mingling and tingling just like it's supposed to be doing. So let's just make sure we get enough of this delicious in-house Cajun seasoning, baby. On medium-high heat, let's go ahead and add our olive oil. We're just gonna let that heat. All right, this olive oil is heated and ready. Oh, listen to that. Get this seasoned chicken up in here. Just get it in the pan and we're gonna separate it once we get it in here. Just go ahead and separate our chicken. Just like that. There we go. Date night meal, like I said, you're gonna win that night. You are going to win on this night. I tell you, from experience. Yeah. Let's just let this cook down. All right, as you can see, our water is boiling where we need it to be. Let's go ahead, throw our pasta in there. We're gonna throw about 1/2 box in there. There we go. And stir. And remember, you gotta come back and stir this. Make sure they don't stick together. So just occasionally stir it. Check it. When it's ready, you'll know. 11 to 12 minutes, I'd say. Get your piece, taste it. You know exactly what you want. Back to our chicken. And just make sure it's all getting cooked on all sides. Smelling delicious up in here. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Ooh, look at that delicious chicken. It's ready. Look at that. It is ready. Ooh, look at that, baby. All juicy, moist. Yeah. But don't forget about your pasta now. Make sure you stir it and check it. We getting there. We getting there. By the time we get through whipping our sauce together, these babies will be ready. There it is. Add us another tablespoon of olive oil. As such. Get that in there. There we go. About 2 tablespoons of our garlic paste. This one. There it is. All right. And we don't want to burn this, so let's make sure we hurry up and just get it mixed in as such. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our heavy cream, baby. Get that in there. Oh, yeah. And let's just go and scrape up the bottom. Get all that deliciousness from the bottom. Let that flavor get up into this whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. And we are getting there, baby. We are almost there. And add our butter. Let's get this melted on in there. There we go. All right, as you can see, our butter has melted. So let's go ahead and turn our heat down from medium high to medium. Make sure you stir your heavy cream so it don't overflow as it heats. Now let's take half of our parm. Let's get that in there. And let's just stir it around till it starts to melt and the sauce starts to thicken. And I believe, yepper, our penne pasta is done. Let me taste one. Yeah. There it is. Pasta's done. Now let's just get this where we need it to be. Go ahead and add the rest of your cheese. There we go. Ooh, look at that. Mm-hmm. Now let's go ahead and hit our sauce with about a teaspoon of our Cajun seasoning. Get that on mixed in there. Then you're gonna taste for likeness. See if there's anything needed to be added. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes. Ooh, there it is. There it is. All righty. Chicken. Let's get that in there. There we go. Get the chicken in there. There we go. Yeah. Got our chicken in there. Now all we gotta do is drain this pasta, throw this pasta in there. And it's a done deal, baby. We just gonna let it simmer. And we're gonna be all said and done. Check it out. Ooh, look at that creamy Cajun Alfredo sauce. Look at that. Yeah, that boy can cook, y'all. Let's go ahead and get our pasta added in. That would have been delicious. Throw some bacon in it. Wouldn't you say? Hit me in the comments and tell me if you think I should have put some bacon in it. Yeah. There we go. That's it. That's all, family. Now you know what we do. We gotta plate it. We gotta make it look pretty. And it's gonna be one delicious date night meal, baby. Yeah. A little more cheesier, baby. A little more cheesier. There it is. There it is. That's it, that's all, family. All right, let's go ahead and plate our delicious Cajun chicken pasta, baby. Let's get it plated so we can make it a night to remember. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yes. Mm-hmm. One more for the road. There it is. That is, fam. Cajun chicken pasta. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it. Till the next time that boy can cook. Yeah. All right, family. Like I said, that is it. That is all. Hope you had a ball. Yeah. So let's taste it. This delicious Cajun chicken pasta. Yeah. See what we made. Let's find out how it tastes. Let's find out how it tastes. Ooh, look at that. Still steaming, baby. Good and hot. Mmm. It's the best Cajun chicken pasta that you can make. That boy can cook style. As always, out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Mmm.